Spelling, week 33, adding ER and EST. Number 1, larger, larger. This shoe is larger than that one. Larger. This shoe is larger than that one. Number 2, sadder, sadder. Ed is sadder than I am. Ed is sadder than I am. Sadder. Number 3, widest, widest. I have more room on the widest track. I have more room on the widest track. Widest. Number 4, sharper, sharper. I need to make this pencil sharper. Sharper. Number 5, closest, closest. Leah sits closest to the door. Closest. Number 6, hotter, hotter. Upstairs is hotter than downstairs. Hotter. Number 7, saddest, saddest. The saddest child cried and cried. The saddest child cried and cried. Saddest. Number 8, redder, redder. The more he ran, the redder he became. Redder. Number 9, reddest, reddest. Tara has the reddest cheeks of all. Reddest. Number 10, wider, wider. Trucks can drive on this wider road. Wider. Trucks can drive on this wider road. 11, later, later. I will get there later than Sue will. Later. Number 12, largest, largest. The whale is the largest animal. Largest. Largest. Number 13, closer, closer. Can you ride closer to the fence? Closer. Number 14, hottest, hottest. Which frying pan is the hottest? Hottest. Which frying pan is the hottest? Number 15, latest, latest. We listen to the latest news on TV. Latest, latest. And the review words. Number 16, longer, longer. Number 17, longest, longest. Number 18, wider, wider. Number 19, whitest, whitest. Challenge words. 20, safer, safer. 21, safest, safest. 22, thinner, thinner. 23, thinnest, thinnest.